Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Docker containers from one VPS to another, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Docker containers from one VPS to another, start by accessing your source VPS through SSH. Use the command SSH user at source_VPS_IP to log in. Once connected, list all the running containers using Docker PS. Identify the containers you want to transfer. Next, stop the containers with docker stop container_id. Now, export the stopped containers as tar files with the command docker export container_id container_name.tar. Repeat this step for each container you want to transfer. After exporting, compress the tar files to save space using gzip container_name.tar. Use the scp command to securely copy the compressed files to the destination VPS with scp container_name.tar.gz user at log into the destination VPS using SSH user at destination_VPS_IP. Once connected, navigate to the directory where you transferred the tar files. Decompress the files using gunzip container_name.tar.gz. Next, import your containers back into Docker using the command cat container_name.tar docker import container_name. Repeat this step for each container you transferred. Now check that the containers are imported correctly by running Docker images. Finally, remember to start your containers again with Docker run. Monitor the logs to ensure everything is working as expected with docker logs container_name. Your Docker containers are now successfully transferred to the new VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.